Meeko's short vowel cozy campfire trek. Deep in the forest, under tall green trees, Meeko is at camp. "Good morning, forest," Meeko says as she takes a selfie. She hops out of her bed, ready for a new day. Down by the river, Meeko washes her socks, ready to put them out to dry. She clips them on her clothesline with a wooden peg. Click, click, goes the peg. "Now my socks won't fall," she says with a giggle. Just then, a white hen comes strutting by. "Cluck, cluck, cluck," says the hen. "Hello, hen. Do you want some breakfast?" Meeko asks. She sprinkles a handful of seeds and the hen pecks happily at the ground. Meeko looks around the camp and sees a big green leaf. "Oh, look at these little bugs," she says. She counts slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tiny ladybugs all in a row. Meeko goes further into the forest. A bright yellow butterfly flutters by. It lands gently in a soft net hanging on a branch. "Don't worry, butterfly," says Meeko. She lifts the net and lets it fly away. "Goodbye, butterfly. Go free." Nearby, a spider is hard at work. It spins and spins until a shiny web stretches between two branches. The web sparkles with morning dew, like tiny diamonds in the sunlight. "Wow," whispered Meeko. Back at camp, Meeko notices the hen is looking a little sick. She phones the forest vet to ask if she can come and look at the hen. "Can you help me feed the hen, Meeko?" the vet asks. "Yes," says Meeko, and they give the hen some corn soup. As night falls, Meeko takes out her pen and notebook. The pen makes soft scratches on the paper. Scribble, scribble, scribble. At day's end, Meeko grabs her microphone and remembers all the short words she wrote. Bed, peg, hen, 10, net, pen, web, and vet. The animals clap their paws, wings, and claws. "Let's all sing," they cheer. Meeko and her forest friends sing together, smiling under the stars.